Hello everyone, I am Nilesh Banarse. Today we are going to discuss about the overall introduction of syllabus of subject Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2 of 5th semester. The syllabus is divided into 4 units, that is from Unit 1 to Unit 4. Unit 1 deals with the study of metabolic pathway occurs in higher plants. In this section, we will learn about the detailed process of various metabolic pathways occurs in higher plants like shikimic acid pathway, acetate mevalonate pathway, etc. Along with the biosynthesis of secondary metabolites like alkaloids, glycosides through these pathways. In this section, we will also learn the biogenetic study through which such metabolic pathways could be discovered and evaluated by using various radioactive isotopes. Unit 2 deals with the general introduction of crude drugs along with its constituent chemical class, chemistry, general method of extraction and isolation of phytoconstituents and their analysis, its therapeutic as well as commercial applications. The various classes of crude drugs to be covered under this unit will include alkaloids, phenylpropanoids, flavonoids, steroids, cardiac glycosides, triterpenoids, volatile oils, tannins, resins, anthraquinone, glycosides, cyanogenetic glycosides, iridoids, and naphthoquinones. Subsequently, in the Unit 3, we will discuss about the industrial production, estimation, and utilization of various phytoconstituents like taxol, vincristine, vinblastine, digoxin, caffeine. In this section, the main focus will be the industrially operated isolation process of phytoconstituents, that is, besides the laboratory production, how they can be isolated on the industrial scale means large scale, because most of the plant contains very less constituent of the active constituents, so it is very difficult to isolate them on the laboratory scale in a sufficient quantity. So it is necessary to isolate them in a large proportion on the industrial scale, so that through a method the need of the requirement of such active constituent can be fulfilled for its therapeutic application in the society. Similarly, Unit 4 deals with the study of basic phytochemistry, which includes various extraction methods like Soxhlet extraction, study of various spectroscopic methods like mass spectroscopy, NMR and IR spectroscopy for structural determination of molecules, chromatography like TLC, HPLC and HPTLC for separation of phytoconstituents, and electrophoresis methods for separation of macromolecules based on movement of charged particles in an electric fields. So students, this is all about the introduction of syllabus. We will start thorough study from the next class, of which metabolic pathway in higher plants and their determination will be the first unit. Thank you for your kind attention. You can listen the introductory class at your leisure time. Thank you once again.